So let's start it with exercise 7.4, in which you look at the first problem. So look at the first problem. We need to find the integral of 3x squared divided by x power 6 plus 1 times dx. Right? So how to solve this? If you observe, right, see, in all the problems related to integration, what is the idea? Eliminate the denominator, right? If you have to eliminate the denominator, you solve the problem in any method you want. Mostly you land up only at substitution, right? So this gives me a hint that if I need to eliminate the denominator, I need to do some substitution. But the challenge here is denominator, I have x power 6, but what is going to be the derivative of x power 6? It is going to be x power 5. But I don't have x power 5 in the numerator. I have only x square. So if I need the derivative to become x square, what should I substitute as t? Derivative will always decrease the power by 1. So if I need to get x square, 3x square, to be more specific, if I need to get 3x square, what should I substitute? I need to substitute x cube. So for that, what I'm going to do in this problem is x power 6 can be written as x cube the whole square. Can I do it like this? So if I do it in this way, then the question can be interpreted as 3x square divided by x cube square plus 1. Now what can I do? Now I can substitute this x cube as t. That implies 3x square dx will be equal to dt. So 3x square dx is going to be dt. So integral of dt divided by x cube is t. So it will be t square plus 1. So when it is t square plus 1, what is going to be the answer? Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square is going to be 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Or to put it simple, 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x. Right? So it is going to be tan inverse of what is t? T is going to be x cube plus c. This is the answer. So answer should be tan inverse of x cube plus c. Second problem. So we need to find the integral of 1 by root of 1 plus 4x square. So this can be written as integral of 1 divided by, take the 4 outside. So when you take the 4 outside, it will be square root of x square plus 1 by 4. But what am I taking outside? I'm taking out 4. So what will be in the denominator? It will be 2. Did you all understand this? See, root of 1 plus 4x square, if I take the 4 outside, 4 into, can I write it as x square plus 1 by 4? So square root of 4 is 2. So 1 by 2 into, what is the integral of 1 by root of x square plus a square? It will be log of x plus root of x square plus a square. Right? It is the fifth formula. Right? So 1 by 2 into log of x plus, so root of x square plus a square plus c. So look at the third problem. The third problem is integral of 1 by root of 2 minus x the whole square plus 1 times dx. Right. So what will this be? Integral of 1 by, can I write this as root of x minus 2 the whole square plus 1? Both are same. Times dx. So what will the answer be? Log of x plus root of x square plus a square. But what is x here? This time you should not write only x. You should write it as x minus 2. Log of x minus 2 plus root of x square plus a square means the same thing you write it there. That is going to be x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 plus c. The next problem is integral of 1 by root of 9 minus 25 x square times dx. So in all the problems, you would have observed one thing. What is it we need to do? We need to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So what should I take out common here? I need to take out 25. So when I take out 25, I get integral of 1 divided by square root of 9 by 25 minus x square, right? When I take 25, so under root 25 is going to be 5, right? I'll do a rough work and show it is going to be 25 into 9 by 25 minus x square. Am I right? So 25 coming out of the square root will be 5. So answer will be 1 by 5 times this value, root of a square minus x square. So 1 by 5 into, what is the formula for root of a square minus x square? It is going to be sine inverse of x by a. So what is x? X is x only. What is a? If you observe, 9 by 25 is a square. So square root of that, square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 25 is 5 plus c. So answer will be 1 by 5 times sine inverse of 5x by 3 plus c. So the next question is integral of 3x divided by 1 plus 2 into x power 4, right? So if you observe, this is also algebraic divided by another algebraic or polynomial by polynomial, right? So when I take this into consideration, I have x power 4 here. If I want to eliminate the denominator, then I can substitute x power 4 as t, but what should the derivative of x power 4 be? It will be 4x cubed, but I have the numerator's power as 1. So derivative of which function will give the power of x as 1? X square, right? So what I should do here is x power 4, I can split and write it as x square the whole square. So this will be integral of 3x divided by 1 plus 2 times x square the whole square times dx. So what should I do? I need to put x square as t, which implies 2x dx is equal to dt, or x dx is equal to dt by 2. So I have x dx here. In the place of x dx, I can replace it with dt by 2. Am I right? Now, this will be integral of 3 into dt by 2, the whole divided by 1 plus 2 times t square. Can I write it like that? Because x square is t, so x square the whole square is t square. Makes sense? Okay. So here what I will do is I'll take the 2 common outside. So numerator I already have 3 by 2 into integral of dt divided by, if I take the 2 common outside, it will be 1 by 2 plus t square. This whole divided by, since I took the 2 outside, the 2 in the denominator will come out. So this 3 by 2 belongs to the numerator. This 2 belongs to the denominator. So 3 by 2 by 2 is going to give me 3 by 4. So this whole thing will get converted as 3 by 4 into integral of dt divided by t square plus 1 by root 2 the whole square. Right. So answer will be 3 by 4. I will leave it as it is. Now observe. Integral of x square plus a square is 1 by a, which is 1 by root 2, tan inverse of x by a. So it will be t divided by 1 by root 2 plus c. So how much will be the answer? It will be 3 root 2 divided by 4 into tan inverse of root 2 into t. But what is t? X square. So it will be root 2 times x square plus c. This will be the answer. So integral of x square divided by 1 minus x power 6. Again, if you observe, the numerator is x square, but the denominator has the power of 6. So since you have x power 6, what you can do is you can write x power 6 as x cube the whole square, so that in that x cube, right, if you substitute it as t, then this will be x square dx divided by 1 minus x cube the whole square. So x square is how much? X square dx is dt by 3. So this will be integral of dt by 3 the whole divided by 1 minus x cube is t square. Right. So this will be 1 by 3 into integral of dt by 1 minus t square. 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. Right. So it will be 1 by 3 into 1 by a square minus x square is 1 by 2a. So 1 divided by 2a into log of a plus x, that is 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t plus c. Maybe 1 plus t by 1 minus t plus c. So 1 by t into log of 1 plus x cube divided by 1 minus x cube plus c. The next question is integral of x minus 1 divided by root of x square minus 1. So what we can do here is, if you observe, this is of the form linear divided by quadratic, means it is of the form px plus q divided by root of ax square plus bx plus c. Right? Remember, it is of the form px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c. So what are we supposed to do here? You will write px plus q is equal to a into, okay, this small a, small b is what we can write, a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B. Okay. So here it is going to be x minus 1 is equal to a into d by dx of x square minus 1. Right? Plus b. So what is that you're going to get? This will be equal to a into d by dx of x square minus 1 is going to be 2x and you have plus b. So this clearly indicates that you have 2ax plus b. So what is the value of 2a? 2a is equal to 1, which implies a is equal to half. And what is the value of b? B is equal to minus 1. So 2a is, a is equal to half and b is equal to minus 1. Am I clear? Now, so what I can do here is, I'll take this value and substitute it. Integral of x minus 1 divided by root of x square minus 1 can be rewritten as integral of half into 2x plus, what is the value of b? It is minus 1, the whole divided by root of x square minus 1 dx. So when you do this, you split the denominator to each term in the numerator. So half into integral of 2x divided by root of x square minus 1 dx minus integral of 1 divided by root of x square minus 1 dx. Right. So half into, if I take x square minus 1 as t, right? If I take x square minus 1 as t, what will be dt? 2x dx. So it is of the form dt divided by root t. So what will you have? You will have 2 times root t. So 2 times root of x square minus 1 minus dx by x square minus a square. 1 by root of x square minus a square is log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Right. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So hence the answer is going to be root of x square minus 1 minus log of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. Clear? So check this. So the 8th question is x square divided by root of x power 6 plus a power 6. So x power 6 you can write it as a power 6, you can write it as a square, or sorry, a cube the whole square. Right. So that this will become integral of x square divided by root of x cube the whole square plus a cube the whole square times dx. Am I right? So x cube is going to be equal to how much? If you take x cube as t, that implies 3x square dx is equal to dt. So x square dx is equal to dt by 3, right? Integral of dt by 3 divided by root of t square plus a cube the whole square. So 1 by root of x square plus a square. What is the formula? Log of x plus, what is x here? X is t plus root of x square plus a square. So t cube, sorry, it is t square plus a power 6, right? Plus c, right? So this is going to be log of, what is t? It is x cube plus this is going to be root of x power 6 plus a power 6 plus c. So it is dt by 3, right? So you have 1 by 3 here and you have a 1 by 3 here. So answer should be 1 by 3 times log of x cube plus root of x power 6 plus a power 6 plus c. So the next question is integral of secant square x divided by root of tan square x plus 4. So since the numerator is secant square x, remember secant square is a derivative of tan and the denominator has tan in it. So what you can do is you can put tan x is equal to t, that implies secant square x dx is equal to dt. So this will get converted as integral of dt divided by root of t square plus 4. So 1 by root of a square plus x square is equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So this should be how much? Log of, what is the value of x? That is t. Log of tan x plus root of tan square x plus 4 plus c. This will be the answer. So the 10th problem is 1 by root of x square plus 2x plus 2 times dx, right? So here, when it is 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c, what are we supposed to do? You need to follow the completing the square method, right? So this will be equal to integral of 1 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 2 means it will be x plus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 1. I directly wrote it. See, first you will write x. So since the middle term is plus, put a plus. What should you do? You should write half of the coefficient of x, that is 1. So make it a whole square. Plus, write the constant as it is, subtract the square of this value, that is 1. So how much will be the answer? So these many times dx is equal to integral of dx divided by root of x plus 1 the whole square plus 1. So 1 by root of x square plus a square is going to be equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square. So basically x plus 1 the whole square plus 1 is nothing but the question itself. So you can write that itself. So x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c. So this will be the required answer.